If you're managing multiple WordPress websites, helping your users over and over is a huge time sink. AI Admin Assistance was built to fix that. With AI Admin Assistance, you can export and import guidance, workflows, quick help links, and settings. Within seconds, your entire support setup is replicated. Just go to the Import-Export screen and export your configuration. Next, switch to a different site you manage, visit the same Import-Export screen on site, and import it. Within seconds, the entire setup is replicated. This is incredibly useful for agencies, template sites, or standardized client builds. Instead of rebuilding everything manually for each site, you can create your help content once, import it whenever you're building a new site, and then delete any help content that is not applicable for the new site. If you're managing multiple sites, this alone can save hours on every project. Get started using the free version today from WordPress.org, or visit our website to learn more about the pro version.